So I use my glow roller twice a week. Sometimes I'm fortunate to even do a third. Take it out of its casing, and all you need to do is press the end to illuminate the light, the healing light. So you literally just apply it to the face gently. There's no pain. There's no pain. The microneedles are really gentle. They're 0.75, and you can roll it over the face once or twice. Avoid the eye area and also avoid the lip area. Very tender. I also like to do my neck, just slowly and gently. And then, when I'm finished with my glow roller, turn the light off, pop it back in its case, and it sits just nicely. You can wash it in hot water every 2 or 3 months with some alcohol. And then take your favourite serum, mine's the Skin Food, and literally just pat it in. You don't need to rub. And it's as easy as that.